The foldable revolution is no longer a distant dream. It's here, and it's more breathtaking than ever. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future, where smartphones aren't just flexible, they're smarter, more intuitive, and designed for a new era of tech. This is the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate, the world's first tri-folding smartphone. Could this be the next big thing? Stay tuned as we dive into the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate, the phone that is setting a new standard in foldable technology. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the tri-fold design. Unlike traditional foldables that either fold in half or employ a simple flip mechanism, the Mate X-T Ultimate goes all in, using a Z-shaped tri-fold system that gives you not just one, not two, but three distinct display modes. Why is this important? Well, imagine carrying a device that acts as a smartphone, tablet, and even a mini laptop all in one. Fold it once, and you have a regular 6.4-inch smartphone. Fold it twice, and it transforms into a 7.9-inch mini tablet, perfect for media consumption or multitasking. But the magic happens when you fully open it to reveal a jaw-dropping 10.2-inch 3K display. A new standard in versatility, this tri-fold mechanism allows for unprecedented versatility. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, watching a movie, or taking notes, the Mate X-T Ultimate adapts to your needs. The hinge is crafted from aerospace-grade materials, offering durability while maintaining its sleek profile. Folded, it's only 12.8 mm thick, just a little over 1 cm. When fully unfolded, it's a mere 3.6 mm, making it one of the slimmest foldables ever made. But a foldable is only as good as its display, and Huawei knows that better than anyone. The Mate X-T Ultimate boasts a 3K OLED display that offers true-to-life colors, vibrant brightness, and stunning contrast ratios. A visual feast, the 90 Hz refresh rate ensures that everything, from gaming to scrolling through social media, is buttery smooth. This refresh rate may not compete with the 120 Hz screens seen in some other flagship devices, but it strikes the perfect balance between performance and battery life. Folding without sacrificing quality, the biggest concern for foldable screens has always been durability and creasing. But Huawei has gone to great lengths to minimize any visible creases, thanks to its proprietary folding mechanism. And if you're worried about long-term wear and tear, don't be. Huawei claims the Mate X-T can withstand over 200,000 folds without breaking a sweat. What's under the hood? Well, Huawei's Kirin 9000's chipset drives this powerhouse. This is a 5nm chip designed specifically for foldables, ensuring seamless transitions between display modes and optimizing battery life across all use cases. A multitasker's dream, with 16 GB of RAM, the Mate X-T Ultimate can handle virtually anything you throw at it. Running multiple apps, gaming in high settings, and even streaming in 4K are effortless tasks for this foldable. It's designed for those who live in a world where productivity and entertainment happen simultaneously. Future-proof connectivity, of course. It wouldn't be 2024 without 5G, and Huawei's chipset ensures you're connected to the fastest networks wherever you are. Add Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 into the mix, and you've got a device ready for the future. Next up, the cameras. The Mate X-T Ultimate is armed with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom. These cameras are powered by Huawei's famous AI-driven image processing, delivering incredibly detailed photos and videos. A photographer's paradise, whether you're shooting in low-light environments, capturing wide landscapes, or zooming in on distant objects, the Mate X-T's camera system handles it all with ease. Its night mode has been enhanced, delivering even crisper images with less noise than its predecessors. Video capabilities. On the video side, you're looking at 4K video recording with HDR support. The front-facing 8MP camera may seem modest, but it's optimized for ultra-clear video calls and selfies, making it perfect for those who are always on Zoom or creating content for social media. Powering this device is a 5600 mAh silicon-carbon battery. Huawei claims this new battery technology is not only thinner but also more efficient, allowing the Mate X-T to provide a full day's usage on a single charge. Super fast charging. With 66W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, you won't be tethered to a wall outlet for long. In fact, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes, making it one of the fastest charging foldables on the market today. Running the show is HarmonyOS 4.0, Huawei's custom OS optimized for foldable devices. One of the key highlights is the enhanced multitasking feature. Whether you want to split the screen between two apps or use a floating window for quick replies, HarmonyOS makes it easy. Fluid, intuitive, and optimized for foldables, the Mate X-T Ultimate shines in its ability to provide a seamless user experience across its three form factors. There's little to no lag when switching between apps or display modes, and the gestures feel fluid and intuitive. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate is not for the faint-hearted, starting at around 1,99,999 yuan, or roughly $2,808. It's clearly aimed at the ultra-premium segment, competing with devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the iPhone 16 Pro Max Fold. Who is it for? This phone isn't for everyone, but for tech enthusiasts, business professionals, and those who want to own the future of smartphones, it might just be worth the price. Its launch in China on 20th September 2024 is expected to be a major milestone, and if Huawei can expand its global availability, it could very well be the new king of foldables. So there you have it, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate, a true testament to how far foldable technology has come. With its tri-fold design, powerful performance, and stunning display, it's not just a smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future. Let us know in the comments, will you be considering this foldable? And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Techsplorer for the latest updates in the world of technology.